And here's our finished results of our overcooked chicken barbecue breast. We made it into a beautiful sandwich. We have a lot of good things in the sandwich, and we're serving it on this oatmeal wheat honey bread. Tastes fabulous. I love this bread. It's a good wheat bread. Look at the oatmeal on top of it. Oh, I love that. We have red bell peppers, crepes. We got celery. We got apple. We got dry cherries, raisins. Oh, and onion. Oh, we have all that in this. And we got good stuff in this sandwich. I hope you'll be able to make this sandwich. Now, like I was saying in the video, sometimes recipes do not turn out the way you want them, but don't give up. Try it again. You know, that's all I can say. If I show you a recipe and you can't get it right, just email me and I will try to go step by step with you with the recipe. Just email me, write me a note, and I go step by step with you on the phone. Yes, I will. I just want you to know that I'm here for you and not just to be doing something else. I'm here to help you and to help you learn how to cook. And that's my job on YouTube, is helping someone how to cook. And I enjoy cooking. I've been cooking since I was 9 years old. And here I am. I'm not going to tell you how old I am, but I know I'm old. But anyway, this is the sandwich. And after this presentation, I'll show you how to make an overcooked barbecue chicken breast taste fabulous. And this is what this is. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And thank you for coming to my channel. And I just love all my subscribers. So happy eating, everyone. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe. And this recipe is, what do you do when you go to someone's home and they do some barbecue and the chicken breast turns, when you bite it, chicken breast turns out to be hard. Dry and hard. What do you do with that chicken breast? You take it home with you so you won't hurt their feelings. Because they'll say, oh, take the chicken, take the chicken breast home, you know, you take it home. And when you bite it, it's tough and dry. So I'm going to show you what to do with a dry chicken breast. What do you do with a dry out barbecue chicken breast? Okay, what you do is cut the part off that you bit on. You cut that off and you get a grater. Take it home. Get it right, y'all. Can't get the thing right, okay? And grate it. Grate the smoke taste and all of that. Just grate it off, just like that. Grate it in hunks. Just like this. You grate it because it's dry. So you be very careful. Now, if you have a processor, food processor, you can do it with the food processor. But I don't have one. So what I'm going to do is grate it just finely, like this. See that? Grate it just like that. Grate all that down into a shred. Shred it down like that, y'all. See that? That's what we're doing. We're shredding it down. And I'm going to be right back and show you what to do when you finish shredding it down. All right, we finished shredding it down, shredding the chicken. It smells wonderful, have a wonderful smoke taste, and it smells really good. This little part right here is too smoked, so we'll take that out. So we got plenty right there to do something with. So what we're going to do is make chicken salad. Yes, indeed. We're going to make chicken salad. And in the chicken salad, we're going to have dry cherries, raisins, onion, red bell pepper, apples, celery, and diced up eggs. We'll get a bowl, and we're gonna serve this on this little oatmeal bread. This is some oatmeal bread. You can eat yours with crackers, but this is a sweet oatmeal bread, and it tastes real good. It's sweet, tastes real good. So what we're gonna do now is blend all this together. Now you can add any ingredients. I don't have any sweet pickles. I love to put sweet pickles in there, but I don't have any sweet pickles, so I just pickles, y'all. Didn't have no sweet pickles, so what I did is just didn't worry about it. Okay, now I'm gonna put some capers. I love capers in mine. So get a few capers out of there. Let's see. I'm going to get the end of this and get it out. About a few capers just like that. There you go. And then we're going to add some black pepper. No black pepper. You know, I love black pepper, so don't put as much black pepper like I do. Okay, I'm put a little, just a little of curry, y'all, powder. And then I'm going to put some peppercino. I love peppercino. A little peppercino, maybe a little bit too for you, but I put a lot in mine. And then I'm going to put some parsley flakes. Parsley flakes go up in this dish. Now it has apple. I forgot to say apple. Apple is in this also. Okay. And then we're going to put a touch of honey mustard. Just a touch, y'all. Just a touch like that. Then we're going to use some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise like this. I keep that on top of there. I like to keep that little flap on top. Then we're going to stir this together, blend this together like this. Blend it all together real fine. Not too fine, just enough to have a little humpiness in it. Just like that. Just like that. And then we're going to add the shred. Now we might need a little bit more mayonnaise. Let's see, we might need to get another spoon. Put a little bit more mayonnaise in it. Just like that. Smell good already, y'all. And then we're going to add our chicken. Our shredded chicken. And then, when they call and ask you, did you eat the chicken? Oh, yes, I did eat the chicken. It was delicious. But you're not going to tell them that you made a salad with it. You're just going to tell them you ate the chicken. And look how beautiful that coming up. That looks coming up real good. I'm going to put a little bit more mustard. Maybe a little bit more mustard in here. A little bit more. Just a little. And a little bit more mayonnaise. And you can use any mayonnaise you want. I think this is enough. I can use this spoon now. And you can use any mayonnaise you want or whatever ingredients you want for your salad. Chicken salad, y'all. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Out of that dry chicken breast. Oh, my goodness. Okay, we got it all incorporated. Now, you can leave this in the refrigerator for about an hour or two so it can get chilled. And then you make your sandwiches. We'll be right back and let you see what we do with this chicken salad. All right, we're back, and I taste the chicken salad. It tastes fabulous. It's just that I need to put a little bit more parsley flakes in it, just a little bit more mayonnaise, because I don't want it too wet, and I don't want it to be too dry. So I put a little bit more parsley flakes, and a little bit more mayonnaise, and a little bit more black pepper, because I like black pepper. You don't have to put that more in there if you don't like black pepper. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of sugar. Just a teaspoon of regular granulated sugar. Just a teaspoon. Gives it a little taste and a little bit more peppercino. Now, I like mine a little spicy. Now, you don't have to do yours like that. That's why it calls a recipe. Now, if you do these recipes like I do and it don't turn out right, I'm sorry. I want to apologize. If it don't turn out the way it's supposed to, what you need to do is just try to follow your imagination. You know, just try to follow your imagination. I'm just giving you ideas on how to do some things. Because it's not going to turn out. Everybody's recipe is not going to turn out the same. And that's a fact. I mean, some recipes will turn out better. You might make this chicken salad a lot better than me. But that's what happens. You know, it happens like that. Okay, what we're going to do is cut this bread. Put this to the side. Cut this bread. It's loaf bread. I love loaf bread now. So I'm going to cut 2 slices. Depends on how thick you want it. Now I like mine's a little thick. Like that. Cut that like that. I leave the tail end for toast or something. And cut it like that. Cut that a little bit too over there, but it's okay. And then we got 2 slices of this oatmeal bread. And I'm going to put this on the sandwich and let you see what it looked like.